Managing fuel consumption in a Toyota Corolla or any car involves smart driving habits, regular maintenance, and a few mechanical checks. Here are the major, most effective tips. 1. Drive smoothly. Avoid rapid acceleration and hard braking. Smooth, gradual inputs save fuel. Use steady speeds whenever possible. Sudden changes burn more fuel. On highways, use cruise control to maintain consistent speed. 2. Maintain your engine properly. Change engine oil on schedule. Use manufacturer-recommended grade. Replace air filters regularly. A clogged air filter increases fuel use. Keep spark plugs clean and in good condition. Worn plugs reduce efficiency. Ensure the fuel injectors are clean. Use injector cleaner periodically or during servicing. 3. Use quality fuel. Always use the recommended octane rating, usually regular unleaded for most Corollas. Avoid topping off the tank. Stop when the pump clicks off automatically. 4. Monitor tire pressure. Check tire pressure monthly. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance and fuel use. Inflate to the recommended PSI found on the driver's door frame, not on the tire itself. Proper wheel alignment also reduces drag and saves fuel. 5. Reduce weight and drag. Remove unnecessary cargo and roof racks when not needed. Extra weight makes the engine work harder. At high speeds, keep windows closed. Use AOC moderately to reduce aerodynamic drag. 6. Smart use of air conditioning. Use AOC sparingly. It puts additional load on the engine. At low speeds, open windows. At highway speeds, C may be more efficient due to reduced drag. 7. Plan efficient routes. Combine errands to avoid short trips. Cold engines use more fuel. Use navigation apps to avoid traffic jams and unnecessary idling. 8. Track your fuel economy. Reset the trip meter after each fill-up and note fuel used. If mileage drops suddenly, it might indicate a maintenance issue. 9. If you have a hybrid Corolla, use eco mode and regenerative braking effectively. Avoid flooring the accelerator. Gentle throttle inputs maximize hybrid efficiency. Let the EV mode handle low-speed driving when possible. Would you like me to tailor these tips to a specific Corolla model year, for example, 2018 petrol, 2020 to hybrid, etc.? That would let me give you model-specific maintenance and driving advice.